Welcome to the Scout Guide. Today I am coming with an important Shopify fix. Many store owners run percentage discount without realizing how much money they lose on large orders. For example, if simple 10% off coupon can become a huge discount on expensive card. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix that using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the store. Then here in product section, we can click on any product. Then here we can add the quantity. Now click on add to cart. So here we can see the total amount is $2,500. So suppose we're giving 10% as off, it will get a offer as $250. So it is a great amount. So to fix this, we can go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount. So we have to set the maximum discount limit. For that, create new discount. Then here discount code as 10. Then the discount value as percentage, I give 10%. Now this is the important settings, that is capping amount. The capping amount limit the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if the discount become very large, it stop at the value we given. Here I give $60. So it will stop at 60. Now discount apply for all product. Then discount message, it is for automatic discount. No minimum purchase requirement. Then eligibility for all customer. Maximum discount users, here you can choose. Then here I set the date, the start date to the end date. Okay, now this product discount can be combined with, here I choose all. That's it. Now click on save. Okay, now go to the cart section. Here in discount, apply it, the code. Now click on apply. Let's see how much it saves. Okay, now it only saved $60. So now the discount is fully controlled. Even though 10% should give $250 off, the customer only receive maximum discount of $60. So that's it. A small discount setting can make a huge difference in your Shopify profit. So before running your next sale, make sure your discounts are properly limited by using next discount app. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.